Hello, my clean chaos. How are you doing today? We're going to be talking today a little bit about foundation history and where Beautycounter is today with technology. But where did foundation start? It was way back in 1914. Max Factor created the pancake, but it was for film actresses actually at the time, and guess it's all my fault. Sorry about that. It wasn't intended to be this product that we would wear all day long, 7 days a week. It was intended to be something to look really good on camera, to cut down on the glare on people's skin, or in the theater it was being used, pancake was being used to blend the wig that were on the actors' heads into their skin. So it was meant to be this big heavy thing that would be super durable. But now we have here in 2020 Skin Twin. So foundation is now lighter and clean beauty has shown up on the scene, and it's really good for your skin, hopefully, and that's what we want to be looking for. If you're unsure about the foundation that you're using right now, check out the EWG app called Healthy Living and scan the foundation that you're using currently. Here I'm just looking to check in while I'm before I put on my foundation to see if I need more moisture. Makeup itself just goes on so much easier and just looks so much better when your face and skin is hydrated before you apply it. So I've done my morning routine, but I went back in, just touched in with my skin and was like, yeah, I've got a little bit of dry patches on there. So I added a little bit of Counter Time soft cream on top of what I had going on, which is probably just sunscreen. And here we go with the Skin Twin. I like light to medium coverage, so then I use my retractable brush. If you want fuller coverage, I use my fingers. Medium coverage, I usually use a flat foundation brush. We're a one pump company, so one pump should really do your whole face. I take my retractable brush on a clean palm, one pump, circular motions to get it really evenly inside of that brush, and then you're going to want to start and focus on the middle of your face. That's just really where all the attention is anyway. If you just look in selfies or you're looking in the mirror, you really need to look at the center of your face first, and then with whatever product you have left on your brush, then I go back out in a circular motion, very gently, and I do the perimeter of my face, blend it down into my neck. This product is so great because it has 9 times the amount of hyaluron that the old Tint Skin had. Now, what is hyaluron? Hyaluron is this naturally occurring ingredient inside of your body, hyaluronic acid, that is. So we just gave you a whole lot more of it, and it plumps your skin. It visibly plumps your skin. So now after 10 to 20 minutes of having this on my skin, I can look in the mirror and it will be visibly more plump. So that's just from one layer of Skin Twin. Now I have some age spots going on, like right on my jawline from some damage from when I was younger. So I'll go in now with my finger to get a little more full coverage, and then I'll just fill those spots in. Right? Where I still want foundation, I don't want a concealer pen, but I just want a little more full coverage than with the retractable brush. Right there between my eyes, sometimes I get a little bit red. And then I'll take that concealer pen, which I just love. It's a really concentrated version of our foundation. And then I'll go and get underneath my eyes. There I am. So that's the first step in Flawless in 5. This is Skin Twin. Of course, there is a 10% discount for any new clients right now. And the Band of Beauty is $29, and you get the awesome welcome set, the Clean Duo, which is a charcoal mask and a resurfacing peel, which is our #1 selling product. So it's just a really great deal right now. Thank you for joining me here at Curiously Clean Chaos, and have a fantastic week. Bye, Chaos.